Hi guys, I hope you all are having a great time. So the reason why I created this video is because I was trying to load the CSV file into Power BI app, and that CSV file had about 3 million rows and 21 columns, and it was taking so much time for me to load that data in the Power BI app, and I had to come up with the solution for that. So in this video I will share the solution with you guys, and we'll also see and compare that how this solution is much better and faster than loading Excel and CSVs into Power BI. So for that I created this Python code which will generate a data set for us, and it will have about 5 million rows and 21 columns. So let's go through this code together. So the first thing I did is I imported some libraries in here, and I just defined how many rows I want. I want 5 million rows, I want 21 columns. Then this section will generate the that data set for me. Then when we do that and when we fetch the info, so this is what we get. So it has about 21 columns, and the memory usage is about 800 MB. And then I exported that data in the CSV file. So when I did that, it took me about 77 seconds to export the data in the CSV files. And then I exported the same data in the Parquet file, and this is where you will find the significant difference. So it took me about just 2 seconds to export that data in the Parquet file. And when we do the simple math to see like how faster Parquet files are than CSV, so when I did that, so this is what I got. So the Parquet is 42 times faster than CSV. And yeah, that was the first benefit. And the second benefit is when we store these files in the system, so let's see how much space it is taking in our system. So the first thing I did is for the CSV file. So we can see the size of the CSV file is about 1900 or 2000 MB. And when I did that for Parquet files, so it is just taking 806 MB. So again, let's do that simple math in here. So we can see it is approx to 2.5 times smaller than CSV files. So it is taking less space in the memory, plus it is processing the data way faster than CSV files. Now let's see which file Power BI can process faster, and let's start with the CSV file, and let's see how long Power BI is taking to load that CSV file. So CSV, then load. Yeah, so it has started loading the file, and I have also started the timer, and you guys can skip next 2 minutes if you want. So Power BI has now loaded the CSV file, and it took it about 2 minutes and 45 seconds to load that data, uh, which is too much. And let's see how long it takes to load that Parquet file. So for that, let's go to get data, more, all files, and let's load Parquet, and let's load it. Yeah, and I have started the timer as well. And you guys can skip next few seconds if you want. Yeah, so now it has loaded the Parquet file, and it took just 55 seconds to load that Parquet file. So if we do the simple math again, so 245 minutes means, let's say, 165 seconds, and then 51. So the Power BI processed the Parquet file 3 times faster than the CSV file, so we can see the difference here as well. In short, like like if you use Parquet files, you can use that and load that in a data frame as well, and the data frame also will work faster, and you can use that in Power BI as well. And as we can see, Power BI is reading Parquet file way faster than CSV. So yeah, this is it for this video, and just let me know in comments if you have any questions or concerns, and I'll connect with you and we can resolve that issue for you. Thanks a lot.